Seems like New Year's Eve was yesterday, but spring has just begun, and I can still feel the summer sun. I think I must be 20 soon, I'll be past 31. It feels like days are on the run. On the run, on the run. I heard about it, read about it, really thought I knew. When I was younger, days were never done. Those endless boring strings of days got shorter every year. My mornings fly, my nights are on the run. On the run, on the run. Now there's a scammer on my wrist and there's another on my wall. They tick and talk and lie to everyone. I hope that they could keep it still, I know they never